Hi, this is a question about inverse proportion. It takes one bricklayer 24 days to build a long wall. At the same rate, how long would it take two people to build it? Well, I reckon it would take 12 days, because 24 divided by 2 equals 12 days. How long would it take 4 people to build it? Well, I can measure this whole bricklaying work in people days. So it takes 24 people days to build the wall, and therefore it would take 24 divided by 4 equals 6 days. Complete the table. Well, we know it takes 24 days for one person, and for 2 people it takes 12, and we know that 4 people it takes 6, and if I try and use an equation, here I've got the bottom here I've got y equals 24 divided by x. And when x equals 3, 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. And with 12 people we have 2. And from this table I can see as the number of people increases, the number of days gets less. And that's what we would expect. Many hands make light work. And we can show this using a graphing calculator. On the left we have a similar table. 1 person, 24 days. 2 people, 12 days. And so on. 12 people, 2 days. And the equation is y equals 24 divided by x. And that means that as x increases, y gets smaller, y decreases. And we can check. It would take one person, here on the y-axis is 24 days, on the x-axis we have the number of people. So 2 people, 4 people, 6 people, all the way up to 24 people. And how many days would it take? Well, it takes one person 24 days, it takes 2 people 12 days, it takes 6 people 4 days. And we have this kind of shape. And it's called an inverse proportion. But it also works for negative values. Now, negative values doesn't really apply when it comes to building walls. But, for example, when y equals minus 12, we have x equals minus 2. So when x equals minus 2, 24 divided by minus 2 equals minus 12. And as x gets smaller, when x equals minus 4, 24 divided by minus 4 is minus 6. And it's symmetrical. And here we have the same thing, the same graph with people on the x-axis along the bottom and the number of days on the y-axis going up and down. And the equation y equals 24 divided by x. Well, let's change the equation. We have a similar shape. All these equations have a similar shape. But now when x equals 1, 12 divided by 1 is 12. When x equals 2, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Let's change it one more time. y equals 6 divided by x. When x equals 6, y equals 1. 6 divided by 6 equals 1, x equals 6 here, y equals 1 there.